Into an orgy of celebrations.
Can you keep going?
Charles de Gaulle, the leader of the Free French Revolution, arrived in the city.